Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say, anywhere.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Today we will be unboxing this one, Osmo Mobile 3 Gimbal. What's inside the Gimbal Osmo Mobile 3? Its power cable, its storage pouch, and a wrist strap. Alright, let's open. Next. Hello everyone, this is our Osmo 3 Mobile. So we will be unboxing our Osmo 3 Mobile. Alin? So we'll be having our Osmo Mobile 3 power cable, storage pouch, and wrist strap. Okay. So here is our Osmo 3. Yay! Instructions right here. Next,
it's a charger right here. Whatever it is.
what else in the box?
Is charger. A charger and charger need to be plugged here.
Here, the strap.
Oh, it's not. Is that a trap?
The strap. And
Yeah, we got a. Is that a charger?
the
Yes.
pouch.
Oh, it's not a charger. It's a pouch. Okay, but why is this?
Pouch. The next,
Nice.
the USB cable. Then we have our instructions here.
More
Okay. Alright. Very good. Cable, strap, pouch, and our gimbal. DJI Osmo Mobile 3. Alright. Alright, we have just unboxed our Osmo Mobile 3, and what we're going to do next is we're going to activate our Osmo Mobile 3, connect with our cell phone, and let's see the features of our new gimbal. See ya!